Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today is the day of Saraswati Puja. Today we enjoyed a lot at Saraswati Puja. And we'll share some moments with us in the Chhoti Bangla blog. If you know a little bit of Bengali, then you can all go and watch there. Okay, now let us upload a very small video about a rose plant. Rose is known as the queen of flowers, and it also has a very sweet fragrance. These all are our last year's rose plant. And this plant that you are seeing is a very big plant. And it is planted right onto the soil. And this plant gets about 50 to 100 flowerings at a time. This is a desi varieties of rose. And by doing stem cutting, we have also planted this into a pot. But does it happen with some of you that you cannot grow rose plants well in pots? Because this happens with us a lot. Sometimes there is less plant growth and sometimes there is less flowering. Also, the rose plants that we have in our garden right now are also not flowering well. And their growth is stunted. We all know that rose plants love acidic soil. Before winter, my mom prepared the soil. She did it with organic compost, coffee powder and banana peel. And as you know, it rained a lot in the last week of December and the first week of January. Look at our plants' health. To prevent the extreme cold, we had added some mulch to our plants. But because of this continuous rain, we had to remove the mulch, or it would have fungus. So my mom was digging the soil after removing all the mulch. And as the plants already had sufficient nutrients in them, my mom did not give any kind of additional food. So we do not have any more work than waiting. But if you guys do have any suggestion, then let us know. So if you guys want to go to our Bangla channel, then we'll give the link in the end of this video. And you can go there and watch that video. Not only that video, we have many other videos that you can watch. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.